This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Daniel Henson. This home boasts an open and spacious floor plan with many upgrades, which makes it such a great buy. There are beautiful hardwood floors, tile in the bathrooms as well as the laundry room, and carpeted in all bedrooms. In the kitchen you'll see granite countertops throughout, which provide ample counter space, a breakfast nook, large kitchen island, with well thought out cabinetry that coordinates perfectly to the extended 42-inch cabinets with crown molding, and upgraded G stainless steel appliances. Off the kitchen is a great sized dining area, perfectly placed alongside the doors that lead you out to the covered, screened in Lanai. There's a spacious master bedroom with bathroom, double sinks, granite countertops, a very large extended shower, and roomy walk-in master closet. The second and third bedroom are back down the hall from there, with a full-sized bathroom in between as well as a linen/storage closet right in the hallway area. The exterior features of this home also come with added benefits. The upgraded brick facing, covered front porch really adds great character and appeal to the home. The extended 2-car garage gives you